Hi, this is Brent Barron with Inferno Racing Clutches, and I just want to share a quick video response to a question I received on Bob's Fourcycle. A question came from a racer. He mentioned that he does weekly maintenance on his clutch, but while the cart's on the stand, when he spins the tires over, he gets a grinding noise in the clutch. Now, I've tried to simulate that same noise here. Basically what I had to do was use brake cleaner on one of the bronze bushings, try to dry it out as much as possible, dry the mating surface, so now there's not proper lubricant under it. So I'll show you what the noise is. I'm going to just spin the tires over. So basically what's happening is, as the tires are trying to turn, the drum starts to vibrate and it grabs a hold between the bushing and the sprocket interface. The main thing here is we just need to properly lubricate the bushing, and that'll solve this problem. Now, it's not going to hurt the performance of the clutch if you're ready to go out to the grid to race. You know, it's not going to cause you a problem on the track. But what you can do to quickly fix it is take some WD-40, and I'm going to show you that. Basically, we're going to spray some WD-40 down in right alongside the crank where the edge of the bushing sticks out. So I'm just going to put a couple shots down here, and then I'm going to spin the cart over. And now you're going to see that took care of the noise. Now, that's not the proper way to do it for long term, and what I want to show you is a bushing that's been run in a clutch. So this is typically what your bushing is going to look like when you take it out. So there's going to be some black marks on it. This is the oil's breaking down, and all we're going to do to clean this, I've got a rag, and let me set a little tray here so I can put my parts down. So I've got WD-40, I've got the bushing, and we have a product, it's called Blendzall. It's a chain lube, it's a racing formula, number 500 Blendzall. And we found it works extremely well on our bronze bushings. We recommend it in all of our yard cart products where you get a lot of excessive heat from young riders driving the cart around. But it does work very well even in the racing environment. Now, I don't use that on our chain. It is like a no-sling formula. But you'll see I only put a little bit on the bronze bushing. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spray some WD-40 in a rag. I'm going to take that bushing and I'm going to wipe the outside of the bushing. And as you can see, the black's coming right off of the bushing. So that's it. So now the bushing's clean. We don't have to do anything more to that. Never take sandpaper, never use brake cleaner, never use starting fluid. Now, to re-lube the bushing, all I need to do is put one small drop. So I'm going to take a little of this chain lube, put it on my finger, and that's it. I'm going to wipe the end of the bushing, and I'm all done. No more lube than what that was right there. You can't really see it on the video, but I really only have lube on this portion of the bushing. Now, when I go to insert that in the sprocket, it's going to wipe that lube across the face of the bushing. And then as soon as I start the engine up or I spin the tires over, it's going to spread that small amount of lube around the bushing. That's it. No more than that.